Case name Jayaprakash, age is 22 years and date is 15th of February 2024 and complaint of non-fluent speech. Jayaprakash, why you came here? From which place you came?
Sir, I came from the Bangalore itself. I have stammering problem from the childhood. So for the treatment purpose I came here.
Speech sample after speech therapy. Why you came here and how do you feel after the treatment?
So I came for stammering problem. So I am feeling little bit better now.
So tell your hobbies.
Sir, my hobbies are to listening music and playing outdoor games.
So where you studied? Tell about your education.
Sir, I have done my degree at Christus Jayanti College, and I am doing my master's at CMR College. I am doing for MCA first year.
So after the therapy, did you speak to any of your friends and what comments you got?
Yes, sir, I spoke with them and they told like you're getting little by little better, but not 100%. Like you're getting little better.
Yeah, and here I'll be adding for stammering by speech therapy we can't do the 100% cure. Even best method to treat the stammering is the speech therapy. And here at our center what we have observed, if 100 people are coming to our center, 80 people will find some good changes or significant changes we can say. 20 people will find no change at all. So of course it is more than 20, so you took therapy and you are feeling better, but of course we have not cured till now a single patient. Then why the people come here? They come here to improve, not for the cure. Anyway, thanks for watching, and those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive changes in his speech, please like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. So can we use the video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yeah, sir, no problem.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.